Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to invite team members in Clockify. Whether you're building a remote team, managing employees, working with freelancers, or collaborating on client projects, inviting team members to your workspace is a simple process. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open the workspace where you want to add new members. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage users within the workspace. Once you're inside the workspace, locate the Team section in the navigation menu. This is where you'll manage all workspace members and user permissions. Next, click the Invite Team button or the Add Members option. A window will appear allowing you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, and that's how to invite team members in Clockify. By adding users, assigning appropriate permissions, and organizing project access, you can build an efficient team workspace and collaborate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.